Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making a peach cobbler. Yes, another peach cobbler. For our ingredients, we have canned peaches, do not drain, a cup of milk, 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 stick of butter. And we have some cinnamon and brown sugar to sprinkle on the top. Here we have our butter, and we're going to add it to our baking dish. And you want to melt your stick of butter in a 9x13. I just stick it in the oven. Wow, the oven is preheating. So we're going to move on to mixing our dry ingredients. Here we're adding our sugar, and now we're adding the self-rising flour. And you just want to mix that up pretty well. Next, we're going to pour in our milk, and we're going to stir until everything has blended. After your butter is melted, you want to take it out of the oven and you want to pour your batter on the top of your butter. Do not stir. Next, we're going to spread our peaches on the top of our batter, including our syrup. Once again, you do not want to stir. Here, I'm just going to add the brown sugar and the cinnamon on top. Here, we're going to put it in the oven and we're going to bake it for about 45 to 55 minutes or until it's set in the center and is golden. Here it is out of the oven. It is nice and hot and bubbly, and it smells so delicious. So we just want to wait for a couple of minutes till it cool down just a bit so we could taste test it. So here I'm taking it out of the pan, and you can see that it is very moist and it is crispy on the top. So here I'm just tasting it. If you like your peach cobbler like this is a perfect recipe for you. And here I'm just showing you the syrup and how the peaches are cooked into the topping. This was so delicious. It's very moist. And if you like a little bit of syrup at the bottom of your peach cobbler, this is perfect for you. So today we made another peach cobbler. If you like videos like this and you want to see more, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Baby We Eats.